Ninja Blast not turning on? Try this first. Is your Ninja Blast refusing to power up? Don't worry, here's how to fix it fast. 1. Check the battery light. Press the power button. If you see a solid red light, the battery is low. Plug it in using the original USB-C cable and wait for a flashing green light. That means it's charging. Once it turns solid green, you're good to go. If your original cable's missing or damaged, we recommend using a fast USB-C charger that's compatible with small kitchen appliances. Links in the description. 2. Make sure the cup is locked in. If the white light is flashing, the vessel isn't aligned properly. Remove the cup, line up the arrows on the cup and base, and twist until it clicks. It won't run unless it's fully locked in. 3. Look for a flashing orange light. That means either the motor is overheated or the blades are jammed. Let it cool for 15 minutes, or check the blade area for any stuck chunks and clear them out. 4. Try a quick reset. Remove the blending cup, then press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. Reattach the cup and try again. Still nothing? Reach out to Ninja Support, links in the description. If this helped get your blender working again, subscribe to No Filler Fixes for more quick appliance breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and blend easy.